Okay, so there are many. Hi, y'all. I'm Nomad Sister. This is not a tutorial. I'm not a professional. I don't have a professional camera, none of that. I was just interested in Passion Twists, and I've watched probably every single video on Passion Twists. I'll link a separate video in to show you how I separated. I pre-section the hair. I'll put just a shower rod up. That's how I did it. Just pre-sectioned it. That's probably the hardest part. And I'm not going to show that because there's tons of videos on how to pre-section this hair. Or I think it's best to separate as much as you can first. This is just a review on the Bobbie Boss Water Wave in 12 inches. So, although I like the free truss hair, it was just too long for me. And then when I cut it, it just didn't seem to act right. And I know they have a jazz curl that's 12 inches, but none of the beauty supplies in my area sells them, so I had a hard time. So I just picked up this Bobbie Boss. I'm like, okay, well, maybe this will be good. It's the Water Wave 12 inches. And so it looks like this. It's curly. But it's just 12 inches. But on, I don't know, 12 inches seem to be just shoulder length. But I guess because these are braids, see the length of it. So it's pretty long, not long to my back. I don't have professional lighting, guys, but as you can see, it's pretty shiny with no mousse or anything on it. So I didn't know how to do these. I had to try. The back ones are just like a twist. See that? Because you have to get the hang of it as you go along. But yeah, this is the hair. And the only thing about this hair is the strands, some of them are thin, some of them are thicker. So at first I was like, okay, I'm going to use 1.5 to get it to size, but I don't even care anymore. I'm just using 2 strands per braid. So this is the curl pattern. So, you know, it's pretty curly like the free truss water wave or Brazilian, Bohemian Brazilian or whatever. So it's pretty good. With that being said, I use 2 packs in the back, and I guess I'm on my second pack. I only got 4 packs. Well, I got 5. I wasted that trying to figure out how to do it. I went to the beauty supply store. I went to get more hair, right? So let me just tell you. I wasn't even paying attention. I just said, oh, 1B. Well, maybe I'm not going to use this. I said 1B 30. Bobbie Boss. Water Wave. Oh, but guess what that says? Whoops. Dual braid. The inches listed. So I take it out. I'm like, okay. So this one comes in 3. Oop. Well, that one fell on the floor. So it comes in 3 bundles like this. And this one is a little more softer or springier. So I guess maybe if you're doing bigger, chunkier twists and you want them loose, I probably should have showed you how it turned out when I put one braid in my hair, but I didn't like it. First of all, it's much longer than this one. So I guess, so this is 12. I guess this must be about 16 inches. So if you want them a little longer, then, you know, get the dual braid. But when I twisted it up, it's a looser curl, so it didn't work with what I was doing and what I had been doing. So, you know, I'm sure this will work. I'm thinking maybe if you're doing jumbo, you know, you can get this one and it'll be a looser braid. And it is looser. So I don't know if you have to twist tight or whatever, but I just want to show you that there is a difference between the dual braid Bobbie Boss and Water Wave and just the regular Bobbie Boss Water Wave 12 inches. Okay. So with that being said, I just wanted to say that. So just in case you're looking, I did buy I got so much hair. I'm not going to even pull it out. I have the free truss Bohemian. I tried it with that. I don't know. It's just a little longer. I just really wish, I mean, I'm all for long hair, but you know, this right now, I don't need it all down my ass. I'm going to just say it. I don't need it all down my ass. So this is not a tutorial. This is not going to be long. I don't do videos. I'm just getting into editing. So, hey, if you can help me out, just subscribe for the heck of it. Hey, Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. So, maybe one day later on when I get a camera and get fancy, you know, because I do have a hair journey and I do have a hair journey video on here. I did my second big chop and I have not posted pictures. Maybe I'll insert them in here. So you'll see my journey of when I started, and I've been going on 6 years natural now. And anyway, so I got frustrated with my hair. I did my big chop, and you know, it was shorter, but it was short enough. Oh, this is another thing. It was short enough to braid. I mean, long enough to braid in the back. So I didn't do the method. The rubber band method. When I was practicing, I was putting the rubber bands in my hair. I just did not like that method. You know, I practiced on so many different variations of hair, just like one here, one there, and getting those rubber bands out my hair. I just came across a video, and maybe I'll link her. I don't remember her name. So she braided all of her hair first. So the method that I use is that I just braided my hair. And I parted it in section and braided it off first. I did the back first, which was short. So my braids were in the back really short, because my hair probably is just a couple inches long, and it's longer at the top. So this way I found it's better. It's no tension, no rubber band method. And oh my God, I'm so happy I came across her video, and I will link her. She does a lot of the spring twist videos. I think this is better. If you want to don't want to use the rubber bands, but you want it kind of tight, or don't want to do that twisting method, because I know how to do that, but I'm not doing that. That's how I braided my hair, you guys. So you see, you know how you do the individual, when you do the faux locks, how you braid your hair like this. This is so much better than the rubber band method, in my opinion. I'm just going to do one braid and show you how I do it. So, which one should I do? I'm going to go back here. And so the products I use, I did get the Murray's Edge Wax. I didn't too much care for it, but maybe it smells really good. So maybe I didn't give it a chance. People love this. I use the Cream of Nature Argan All Perfect Edges when I braided my hair. And then for gel, I use Twisted Sister from TJ Maxx. This gel is the bomb. It does hold your curl. It is a strong hold, and it's mixed with my conditioner. I do that, so I'm glad it's already braided. And I use the latch hook method. So I'll just show you just one braid. And I know it's so many. BOHO Babe invented the passing twist. I'm glad everybody giving her a shout out. I love the hair community. I'm so proud of the hair community for giving props where props are due. I mean, really, you don't have to say, oh, this was created by BOHO Babe. You know, a lot of y'all keep it real. Y'all be like, I didn't create this style. I just want to try it. But shout out to she created it. She's the I love that. That's just man love. That's what we about right here. Just education and just trying to find out how to care for our hair. Anyway. So I'm going to take 2 pieces. Oh, it's hard for me. Let me look in my mirror. So just latch it on there. You all know how to do this. On that, I try to keep it separate, you know, because you got to pull it through. Oops. And so I just take one and pull it through. So, yeah, I just make sure it's even so it's in there free. And make sure it's even. I start off with a braid. So that's the way I'm doing mine. I know a lot of people think that that's not natural, but it's just easier. And braid it down.
I do twist it a little bit. Do that twirl, but I don't like to do it too much because then it looks like a single-use twist. If you know what I'm talking about. I just twist down and just put a little gel on it for flip. And so when I get to see my real hair,
Right, they turned out pretty curly. I take it and until I get that little knot. See that knot? And when you let it go, you'll have that curl. So I do that process again. Know if I got a couple little knots there, when I unravel, it'll be crinkly. And when I get about this way down, I put some gel on here. I may do it one more time. Do it how many times you like. BOHO Babe. I know a lot of people just twirl down, but let me just show you. So I take a piece from this end and take the piece, from this end. And then I separate it like that. Kind of creates a little knot and then just pull up a little bit. Just twist down however far you want to. And then I just twirl it around my finger. Let it go. I am going to put I kind of don't want to put the mousse on there because that elongates it. I'm going to do as BOHO Babe said. She said that's an important step. So that's how you do it. And look, y'all, they turn out really nice. And they are really light like everybody says. They're not too thick. I'm excited to see the finished product, but I just wanted to come on here to do a hair review on the Bobbie Boss Water Wave. So I will link pictures in so you guys can see the finished look. Thank you for tuning in to the Bobbie Boss hair review. Bye. This is, I've had them in for a couple of weeks. This, by far, like everybody's been saying, the lightest, easiest style ever. Thank you, BOHO Babe, for coming out with this. Yes. See if I put some mousse on it. That's what BOHO Babe says. Oh, I'm supposed to be looking at y'all. Y'all can tell I don't do this. I'm on this side. She said you're supposed to soak it, but I'm just doing it. So you can see. This is after 2 weeks. I don't have professional lighting. And you can see the shine. Look at that. So this 12 inches, it'll come about here. Yes, yes, yes. The hair is just on, and then for people who just don't want it so long, y'all look cute. Okay? I'm just playing. I'm old, corny. Y'all look cute, but y'all's long, and one day maybe I will do it long. I work in a plant. It doesn't call for me to have the hair all the way waist length because that hair is long. That free tress water wave is super, super long. I don't even know how many inches, but it's long. Hope you guys can see that. So, bra strap line. Thoughts? I love this hair. I love this style. Not much tangling. Not much frizz. I mean, y'all, I love this hair. So light. Just like everybody says, it's so freaking light. You don't even know you have it on your head. Okay? Okay, you hear me? And this is going to be my summer style. For real. Because this is the easiest, lightest, cutest. Okay, it is so cute. Everybody love it, and I love it too. Not an influencer. And you only have 160 followers, and that was probably because of my daughter. She's a dancer. 10,000, 100,000, 10,000, 20,000, 8,000, like y'all. I love it though. Thank you. Thank you. All I can say is thank you. I ain't mad. I ain't there yet. I appreciate y'all so much.